You want to revert back to that. Red line.
Hey, watch the two. Come on, boys, get the quarterback.